Good morning to YouTube. Good morning. Right here, I'm not gonna talk about Honda Accords. Right now, I'm installing a full sound system for Honda Civic Si 2006 2012. I want to show you guys some tips because I think it's important because I buy the harness plug and play with the dash kit radio and the radio on it. It's a really good dash kit Metra. But one thing caught my attention. I was looking at a lot of videos and they pass by, specifically when it's Civic Si. When it's Civic Si, yeah, you have to connect everything, like in the harness, everything. But there's one step they always jump, and it's this step, this cable. Because this is the SI model. It got an amp from the manufacturer. It means factory amp under the seat right here. And if you don't connect this cable, you're not gonna have any sound. Everything's gonna be powered, but no sound. Let me focus that cable. It's like a blue cable. This is in the green plug right here. I think this is the plug for the sound and the GPS. Yeah, but I was trying to figure it out, and then I was like looking for the diagram on Google, and I see amp signal. You just only have to do if you're gonna use like an amp like I'm doing, you can get another wire from the harness, another extra wire, and just connect it, and boom, you're gonna have sound right away. Yeah, I wanna do that explanation. I wanna do that detail because I know a lot of people they jump that step. And really, I was looking on YouTube and I don't found nothing about that cable, unless I was trying to figure out why I don't have any sound. It's like in our Honda Accords 2003 2007. If you going to use only a subwoofer, you're gonna need to leave the black box behind the radio because that's the crossover for the speakers and tweeters. That's why a lot of people, oh, I don't have sound on the front because they don't realize that's the crossover for the speakers. If you're gonna use like voices and everything, yeah, you can delete that black box, and then you can go straight from your radio. But if you're gonna use only subwoofer and keep your voices, your heights, yeah, you can delete that box. I just want to, bring that video because coming my attention that point. Yeah, you just hook it up, take out this, unpin it. You don't have to cut it. You can unpin it. You just unsecure this. You have like a clip right here. You just lift it and take out the pin, and then from there you can make it like a pin, or I don't know, whatever you want to do, or just weld it or whatever. Yeah, and then you're gonna have sound. If you have that issue, that's your solution. Really simple. Plug everything, and then that's it. Everything else is plug and play. I'm installing, in Civic Si, all the cables. If you looking for past the cable from the battery, the big cable, the red cable, the power cable, yeah, there's a grommet in the middle of the firewall. You can take out that groomer, and let me show you real quick. Right there. See it? Right there. Right there. There's a grommet right there. you can take it out and then you pass the cable, the big cable. This one. Yeah. Basically, this is it. This is my Nachos Frank card. Other than that, everything's plug and play. Then we're gonna connect the amps and start rocking this audio. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching.